Adulala Resort is a scenic eco-resort in Ethiopia, best known for its dramatic views over the Blue Nile Gorge. Set on a cliffside plateau, the resort blends natural beauty with traditional Ethiopian architectural touches, making it a popular stop for travelers seeking peace, scenery, and a connection to nature. Breathtaking landscapes, panoramic views of the Blue Nile, especially stunning at sunrise and sunset, nature-focused atmosphere, quiet surroundings, fresh air, and wide open spaces ideal for relaxation. Photography and short hikes, cultural charm. Cottages and common areas often reflect local design and materials. Convenient getaway, commonly visited by people traveling between Addis Ababa and Bahir Dar. Overall, Adulala Resort is appreciated less for luxury and more for its tranquil setting and unforgettable views, making it a memorable place to unwind and experience Ethiopia's natural beauty.